Hello, nice to see you again in my latest video today. In today's video I would like to share with you how the US Air Force transports heavy armored vehicles. The United States Air Force has to transport a lot of military equipment and supplies for military operations around the world. To meet this purpose, they use mechanical transports with huge cargo capacity that are different from other types of aircraft in their arsenal. So how does the US Navy load and unload these massive planes? C5 aircraft is the largest aircraft in the aircraft inventory of the US military. It's different because there are both front and rear cargo doors. Cargo can be loaded and unloaded from both ends of the C5 aircraft. It can carry two Paladin self-propelled howitzers, a heavy weapon equipped with solid armor, and is more than 9 meters long by 3 meters wide. To load a Paladin through the C5 iron door, the crew set up a wooden surface on the ramp to allow the vehicle to move up easily without damaging the surface of the flight deck. C5 can kneel low on its more expensive system to facilitate loading operations. The plane lowers its body so that the floor of the cargo compartment is at the same height as a truck. If the C5 is not on its knees, it is very difficult to get wheeled heavy vehicles into its cargo. However, as the knee forklift on its more expensive system, wheeled vehicles can easily enter the cargo compartment. The US Air Force also uses C5 aircraft to transport helicopters to different locations on the battlefield. Initially, the crew set up a ramp and loaded the R-64 helicopter onto the aircraft, then the helicopter was moved to a position that utilized the minimal space in the cargo hold of the C5. To peel the helicopter, R-64 crew set up wooden panels under the wheels of the helicopter. This makes it easier and safer to load it. The R-64 helicopter is moved out from the same end it was uploaded to. A crew member oversaw wheel placement on wooden surfaces until the last R-64 helicopter landed on the ground. It is pulled out of the cargo hold using a tow bar. In addition to transporting self-propelled artillery tanks and helicopters, C5 aircraft are also used to transport space telescopes on the Webb. However, before uploading the offending channel on the Webb to the cargo space, it is kept safe inside a dedicated container. This specialized container is used to transport satellites by air, rail or sea. The container is transported from the facility to the C5 aircraft by a truck. The crew then carefully set up the wooden surfaces underneath the container during its loading onto the C5 C5Galaxy mechanical transport. The plane comes out at the other end. After loading the C5, the pilot starts the engine and the taxi. In busy airports where many planes are moving around, moving a C5 is no easy task. C5 must move to the runway carefully. C5Galaxy car takes off in the same way as a traditional mechanical transport. During takeoff, the wheel is retracted into the wheel compartment to reduce drag. C5Galaxy is equipped with up to 5 sets of powerful and retractable forks. This system is equipped with dual airflow iron absorbers, carbon disc brakes and high-quality wheels. These wheels can be deflated while in flight depending on landing conditions at land airport. C5 has 4 sets of main landing gear installed in parallel. Each main ground lever set has up to 6 wheels with 2 wheels in front and 4 wheels in rear. C5 has a total of 28 wheels. While the nose landing gear has 4 wheels equipped with powerful hydraulic control that can be retracted backwards. The 4 main hydraulically controlled rear fork systems can be rotated 90 degrees to retract inward. The nose landing gear can rotate through a forward arc of 120 degrees. This allows the C5's ground turning radius to be 22.1 meters around the mosquito gear and 52.12 meters. Thanks to the unique landing system, can land anywhere in the world. Thanks to the strength of science and technology and the wealth of the US military, it is considered a master of logistics in the Army. That's the end of this video. We hope this video helps you better understand the work of transporting heavy steel SEVA by C5 mechanical transport. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss any of our new content. Thanks and see you next time.